Are you looking to transfer all your precious designs and data from one Canva account to another? Look no further. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to seamlessly transfer all your Canva data to another account.
Initially, make sure that both of your Canva accounts are open in separate browser tabs. Consider the scenario where one account is in Chrome and the other in Firefox. Let's access the project you wish to transfer and go on to the first account. A secondary window will open with the design. One of the share buttons is located in the upper right corner. When you click on it, the collaboration link option will appear. Select the option Anyone with the link. It has an edit menu on the right side where you can alter it. Set it up such that it can edit. You'll notice a link copied to the clipboard. Paste the link in the address bar of another browser that is now open and has an account that is logged in. The Canva design will open. Here you go, save it. You have your design in another Canva account. Anybody could get the link through email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe for more videos.